Hello and welcome back. Sorry for the network glitch. We got disconnected from our audience and our Nanne Munne chef. We were in the middle of very interesting conversation with our influential chef, Ms. Pooja Khanna, and the managing director of Nature's Nectar and Kejriwal Group, Mr. Prakash Kejriwal. So thank you for being there, and we have started the session once again. So I would request Mr. Prakash and Ms. Pooja to join once again. Sending you the joining request. Already sent the joining request to Pooja. She'll be here any moment. And let me see, I got another request. Pooja, please accept my yeah, Pooja is there. Thank God you're here. I thought there was some network glitch and we are
Yes.
back. So let me send a joining request to Prakash ji also.
Yes.
So we have heard that, chefs are the storytellers of food, isn't it? And to be great chefs, you have to work with great chefs. And that is why our young chefs and young moms and dads, we thought about bringing up this live demo cooking session, and with nobody but our chef influencer Pooja Khanna, who will be giving a live demo on some irresistible honeylicious dishes right from her kitchen live. So Pooja, over to you. In the meantime, I'll ask Prakash ji to join again.
So I'll begin right away. Okay, chefs, young chefs are with me today here. And if you guys have any questions, queries about this recipe, please put up. Rachna ji is there. She's going to ask the question. I might not be able to read it, but I will definitely answer them. So today we are making honey mustard veggie canopies. Okay,
Oh,
and this
wow.
recipe, yeah, and
That
I
sounds so
there
interesting, sir. If it sounds so tempting, then it must be very much yummy.
It is very yum because my kids love it. I know you guys will also love it. It's a simple recipe, but it has three components. There is a
Okay.
salad, there is the
Mm-hmm.
cream cheese dressing, which is healthy. I do not
Mm-hmm.
believe in boxed food, what we buy from out. And there is
Mm-hmm.
a honey mustard dressing. So I have
Okay.
prepped all because it's a live and we have to
Mm-hmm.
really be quick in our
Okay.
life. So first of
Mm-hmm.
all, for
Mm-hmm.
honey mustard canopy, can you guys see the page?
Yes, you are
Okay.
completely
Sure.
visible and
Okay.
audible. Yeah.
So to get, first of all, in a bowl, remember one thing, the more color you put in your child's plate or in your plate as well, as a mother, you're supposed to take care of yourself. The more color you put, the healthier your meal is. Hence, I have three beautiful colors. These are the bell pepper,
Wow.
the red
Yeah.
one, yellow one, and the green one. They all go in here.
Like the Indian
Okay.
flag colors, the tricolors, orange,
Yeah,
yellow, and
so I'm gonna
yeah,
add a lot
yeah,
of color in this because
yeah.
it number one, it looks pretty. Number two, it
Uh-huh.
is really, really healthy and it's
Uh-huh.
filling. It satisfies you. Now these are the rajmas which I
Okay.
boiled.
Mm-hmm. So you soak them overnight?
Yeah, I prefer soaking rajma overnight because then and I do not overcook them क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारी whistle नहीं डालती उसमें whistle डालो तो उनका जो छिलका है the peel comes off it. See, look at it, they
Okay.
are quite intact, but they are done very so
Okay. Okay.
it should be soft, but जो
Mm-hmm.
उनका peel है वो उनसे अलग नहीं होना चाहिए. So you gotta be careful about it.
Okay.
The
So we should
corn
not
answer.
overcook it, right? Overcook नहीं
Uh,
करना.
when you cook it, you have to cook it thoroughly, but you do
Mm-hmm.
not whistle it a lot. One
ठीक है.
whistle and
Got
then
it.
you keep it at sim.
Okay.
So let it cook in that pressure which is built inside the cooker. So don't
Mm-hmm.
like overdo it, like whistle bachta ja raha, all the seals will be separate and the fins will be
Okay.
separate.
Okay.
And now we have sweet corn, which is like in the season, you must enjoy all the vegetables which are in season.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then add gajar, very healthy. मतलब
Mm-hmm.
इसमें like आपके फ्रिज में जो सब्जी है just go on with it. I have the cucumber and what
Mm-hmm.
sabji your kid likes, you know, एक वो भी
Mm-hmm.
होता है. अभी suppose I'm
Mm-hmm.
adding onion. If your child does not like onion, you can simply take it off. It just doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Okay.
So all the color is here.
Okay.
And if you have guests at home, just keep it like this in the fridge and keep the dressing separate.
Mm-hmm.
What I'm doing right now.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then what
Okay.
you do is, before serving it, mix it.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise,
Okay.
the salad gets watery. Now I have this empty jar here, and I'm going to show you how do we make dressing in a jar.
Okay. Okay.
Let's begin with honey. So I'm taking nature's nectar honey.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Rachna, I must say, the honey has beautiful intensity in the flavor.
Okay.
So since last 2 days, I've been having a little cough, and I am licking on this honey, and it is really
Okay.
helpful.
Okay.
Honey, we add
Mm-hmm.
apple cider vinegar to it. Same portion apple cider vinegar, same portion honey, and double the olive oil.
Okay. Pooja ji, sorry for interruption. Which flavor of honey have you taken? Which flavor is
I
this?
have
Is it?
taken your forest honey here.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And by the way, my daughter also loved your forest honey.
Okay. Have you
Yeah.
tried
So now
jamun
I have
honey? Have you tried the jamun honey? That is
I
also very
haven't
nice.
tried jamun honey, but I was very much intrigued about it. I want to try that.
You
The
must.
jamun and the cinnamon also.
Exactly.
Now I have
Yeah.
mustard
Mm-hmm.
and salt. Salt is
Okay.
according to your taste.
Okay.
Mustard, a teaspoon I have added,
Mm-hmm.
and pepper, black pepper.
Okay. Okay.
Always crush fresh pepper. कभी
Okay.
कभी क्रश करके नहीं रखना चाहिए.
Acha.
उसका जो taste and flavor है, it reduces so much. This
Mm-hmm.
this
Okay.
thing is much better.
Okay. Okay.
So this is our honey mustard dressing, and
Okay.
I am going to do just this.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
It
Okay.
emulsifies. Give it to your
Acha.
kids to play. Just make sure
Okay.
jar कांच का नहीं हो अगर वो बहुत छोटे हैं तो.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Okay.
Shake as much as you want to shake it.
Oh,
Because the
great.
oil and vinegar emulsifies and it gets creamy and wonderfully delicious.
Oh,
And honey
that's nice.
adds the depth here, and honey adds the flavor here and intensity also. So
Okay.
I'm taking a fresh spoon. Just gonna show you. This is our honey mustard dressing. Now,
Wow.
अगर आपको कुछ
Honey
मसाले के
with
साथ नहीं.
mustard. Must, yeah, honey with mustard. Awesome
It's
combination.
good. It's like a
Yeah.
classic thing जो कभी नहीं
I
होता.
know, I know.
It's
Yeah.
ज़्यादा.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And then add your dressing.
Okay.
ज़्यादा डालोगे तो ज़्यादा टेस्टी बनेगा. But it depends, you know. Some people like it more with more dressing. Some people like it with
Mm-hmm.
less dressing.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, before you do now, I have made it several times. I know how it tastes. But before you do
Mm-hmm.
it at home, you can always taste your dressing
Okay.
and add whatever you feel like adding. You know, you see,
Okay.
you are your best judge actually all
Mm-hmm.
the time.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is our two portions ready. Our salad is ready
Mm-hmm.
with this dressing,
Oh,
and it is
wow.
so delicious and so
Mm-hmm.
nutritious.
Wow.
So now, yes, now the next part of our canopy, which is my favorite part. So I am making cream cheese, and I am not using a boxed cream cheese. I'm making cream cheese with paneer, the fresh chena. So based
Okay.
इसके साथ I made this fresh chena at home,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and I have a spoon here. And always take a छोटा jar of your mixie. Do not take bigger jar because वो क्या होता है? It keeps rotating in the
Acha.
jar and it does not
Huh.
blend very well.
Yeah.
So
Got it.
this is the fresh chena, and it is very soft.
Pooja ji, I just wanted to ask one thing. I'm sure our young moms and chefs would also like to ask the same question. Like, generally, what happens when we make paneer at home, it becomes stubborn. It looks like a rubber. So, how
Uh,
can we make paneer at home, which is very soft, like the ones which we get from outside? Any
so,
tips?
so there is this science behind. Paneer milk has protein in it, and when you heat it at a higher temperature, uh, those they get very intense and they bind together. And when you add a souring agent like dahi ho gaya, vinegar ho gaya, nimbu ho gaya, तो वो जब क्लम्प होता है तो वो बहुत कभी कभी बहुत हार्ड हो जाता है.
Okay.
The solution to this is you heat your milk, boil it, and turn off the flame and let it sit for 10 minutes like this. Let it
Okay.
get down to a little lower temperature and let it sit. उसके बाद you add your souring agent and stir it.
Okay.
उसके
Got
बाद
it.
you do not keep it in that hot water for very long because it's going to keep cooking. So उसके बाद
Okay.
once you have to strain it and move forward with it. अगर shape करना है तो you need to put weight on it. Like चकला बेलना का हम रखते
Yeah,
हैं उसके
yeah,
ऊपर cook
yeah,
करने के
yeah.
लिए. That's very authentic way हमारी दादी नानी
Yes,
सब
yes,
भी
yes.
है.
That's what we do.
तो कपड़े पे बांध के.
Okay.
The
Uh-huh.
only trick here is keep your temperature lower when you add souring agent to it.
Okay.
So, chena, fresh chena, I mean, and this
Okay.
is normal cream.
Okay.
You can take a dairy cream which is next to your house. I'm adding 1 clove of garlic. This clove is a little bigger if you have a smaller clove. So add 2 cloves of it.
Okay.
Then nimbu ka juice, lemon juice, and of course there goes salt. And isme I'm gonna try this honey.
Okay.
So it's like playful when wow. Can you see the golden?
Yeah. Looks so yummy. Thick. Yeah. That's what pure honey is. Now, Pooja ji, I wanted to ask, like, do you recommend sugar as a sweetener?
No, not at all. एक तो ना
Why?
sugar will give you flavor, but honey will give you a better flavor.
Okay.
जो शुगर का फ्लेवरिंग है ना वो इससे कई गुना रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. When you use honey, it is far better. Plus, one problem I always have with sugar is not only in this recipe but in other recipes. Sugar is addictive and it has zero nutrition. So, अगर हमारा बच्चा, our children start to having sugary sweets after food or during the day, they start getting addictive to it. फिर उनको हर रोज खाने के बाद sugar चाहिए. But if you replace their sweets cravings with something like honey, they don't get addicted. It's just
Yeah.
satisfied and give them instant energy. It actually builds their immunity. You know the properties of honey. It's like great
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
antioxidants, inflammatory
Okay.
property, great for
Okay.
heart. This that. I can talk about it like a list long benefits of honey.
Yeah.
But the major problem is sugar is so addictive. If you have read it, it's addictive than cocaine. White
Oh my
sugar,
God.
which is refined sugar. It is more addictive
Okay.
than cocaine.
Okay.
But things like honey, which is not addictive, it satisfy you, your sweet cravings, which is like as a human, you have those cravings. You're not going to be off sweets. You have to start eating them. You have to enjoy your life. But let's not get addicted to the things. And plus, honey adds a lot of benefits and flavor to the recipes. So I do not recommend sugar at all.
Wow.
So ये हमारी dressing. I hope I answered Rachna. Like
Yes, you did, and that was quite an informative thing you told us. So that's honey is both good in terms of nutrition as well as taste.
yes, and weight loss. All the mamas weight
Thank you for
loss.
that. Yes, absolutely.
नींबू पात डाल के honey डाल के रोज सुबह पियो.
Yeah.
So all you have to do is blend it. My plug is here, so allow me.
Yeah, sure. So in the meantime, audience, those of you who have joined late, let me update you. We are in Nature's Nectar Humble Chef Kids Cooking Contest Awards Gala, and with us we have Pooja Khanna and Mr. Prakash Kejriwal as our jury members. And now Pooja is giving us a live demo session on Honeylicious recipes. So yes, Pooja.
So I'm gonna
Wow.
taste it. You guys cannot because you have not made it.
I'm sure all the chefs out there, they
So
would like to taste that too. So you can make it at home yourself and do the needful. Yeah.
and then taste it.
Yeah, taste it,
It is,
sure.
and then eat
Sure.
it, taste it, enjoy it, relish it.
Yeah, why not?
Yes. So this is equivalent to cream cheese that you buy from the market, and this is better because it has all the ingredients that you
Yes.
see when you put
Hmm.
them, and that gharka with love made, and obviously so much healthier and so much better and so much tastier.
Absolutely.
And in the morning, I made one and I put it in the piping bag because we are making canopies of it. So rather
Wow.
than pouring it with the spoon, I made one in the morning. And actually, if you keep it in the fridge, it gets thicker in the consistency because of the presence of fat in it. So I have put one here. हमारी रेसिपी खत्म हो गई है almost. Any questions, please?
Yeah, audience, any questions for Pooja Khanna? This recipe, please feel free to ask.
So now
So,
you can serve them on canopies. You can serve them on bruschettas. You can serve them on tortilla chips. Anywhere like. And this dressing also can be served as a dip. This can be served on the sandwiches. Like it has a lot of ways to use it. So I have got these canopies which are made with pillow and very
wow.
nice. Yeah. First, we are going to have a layer of our homemade cream cheese, which is made with paneer. Okay, I'm just getting it near to the camera so you all can
Mhm.
see it. Look at the consistency. It folds beautifully, and then you top it up with your honey mustard salad and a lot of vegetables in it. Lot of color. In fact, guys, this makes a beautiful birthday party snack. I'm just gonna make three or show you. बाकी हम घर में खाएंगे, आपको अपने घर में खुद बनाना पड़ेगा. So tell me, what do you think about this recipe? Would you make
This
it at
looks so
home? And
yummy. Absolutely. I'm going to make it for my daughter's lunchbox on Monday. Absolutely. And see, our audiences are also commenting on the same yummy, yummy, yummy. You are so creative, so artistic. Yeah, these are the comments for you, Pooja.
ask me.
Delicious. Yeah. Wow.
Can you guys see it?
It looks so delicious and yummy. It looks completely
And it's
irresistible.
hearty, it's satisfying, it's wholesome. It keeps you full. क्योंकि
It
राजमा है,
it looks so
vegetables है,
colorful.
paneer.
It's got
Yeah.
so
जी,
many colors. It's so colorful. It looks
yes,
absolutely delicious.
Yeah.
absolutely delicious and very nutritious and with nature's nectar
Absolutely.
honey. And I think honey in both my components in the salad and in the cheese dressing is added a lot of depth into it. You will see recipes doing with sugar on
And
Google,
and,
but
and
you
just
will
on
see.
that, Pooja ji, a lot of us have the myth that honey is a sweet ingredient. We can only use it for desserts. But what you have shown is that honey is so flexible. It can be used in so many ways in cooking in both dessert as well as savory.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I tell you, your tea, coffee easily can be replaced with honey, like a drizzle of honey rather than sugar. In your cooking also, I today morning I made kaddu ka bhaji, pumpkin ka bhaji, which is like khatta meetha, which you add a little bit of imli and sugar to it. But I did not add sugar. Actually, I don't add sugar to it. I added honey to it. Now it's a sweetener which caramelized my pumpkin a better way, and my kids are gonna enjoy it.
Yeah.
So not only in cooking, all the places where you add sugar, you can simply replace it with honey. Number one, it health benefits. It caramelizes food better, and caramelizing is a process that makes your food more delicious. And it also adds a lot of nutrition to your food. and it's not addictive to your kids and to you.
This is something you
I
don't
hope
mind
you
your kids
guys
to get
like it.
addicted to. This is
No,
something you
not at
don't
all.
mind your kids to get addicted to, honestly.
But
Get addicted to healthier habits.
it
Absolutely.
is
We would
act-
like, yeah, we would like our kids to get addicted to honey, at least
yes,
from
yes,
those junk food.
definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
So बचपन में आई रिमेम्बर बच्चों को हम लोग जब सर्दी होती है तो हनी चटाते हैं क्योंकि it keeps them cozier, it builds the immunity. So वो तो दादी माँ वाले नुस्खे हैं. And you guys also have ginger honey, tulsi honey, which are so great when you have cough, cold, you know, rather than getting to the medicine part of your life, you just simply have to switch to something which is natural, which is better. And I think that's a great option you have provided with flavors in honey.
And especially in the summers where we have a lot of dehydration. India is a warm country. जहाँ पर we have shikanji with sugar. Replace your sugar
Wonderful.
with honey. Have a honey shikanji, and trust me, you'll feel better much faster. It's much better to have a honey shikanji than have sugar shikanji, or even go to the glucose part of it. Have a natural energy booster in honey. And even in the summer, like it is, and you'll feel the difference. Have a normal shikanji and have a honey shikanji, you will feel the difference instantaneously.
Yeah. I'm totally with you on this. White sugar is actually a culprit in many lives. You know, when it comes to heart problems, when it comes to other problems in your life. Not only ki diabetes, but other problems also are linked to white sugar. So, जितना हो सके कम use करो. Honey is definitely much better option.
Absolutely.
So that was our live cooking session with Pooja. And as Prakash ji very nicely mentioned, that honey is God's Amrit to us. So with this, I would request Pooja and Prakash ji to allow me to share my screen so that I can, have some fun with our audience, wherein we are going to play a pick quiz. So I'll be sharing my screen. I'll be showing some nice video to you. You have to quickly guess the name of the dish, okay? And make sure that you guess the answer quickly, okay? So Pooja and Prakash ji, I'll request you to rejoin again when we make the winners announcement. Yeah, thank you,
All the
Pooja ji,
best,
and
bachas. Participate well. Do it well.
yeah,
Okay.
they're already
See you
excited.
Thank you.
Sure,
See you
sure.
on the other
Yeah.
side.
Yeah. Request you to
Yes.
rejoin again. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
All right.
we'll do that.
Yeah. So, hello, chefs, young chefs, and young moms. This is the time for some live quiz contest. So, let me share my screen. Just a moment. We are going to show you some pics, and you have to quickly guess the name of the dish. Okay? So, here it begins. What do you think it is? Lemon water and honey. Yeah, it's nimbu pani or lemonade. Quickly type the comments, the answers in the comments. This one, honey, chilies and potatoes. What do you think is the name of the dish? I can't see you. Yeah, it's honey chili potato. Come on, write down the answers in the comments. Yogurt, Indian blender, and honey. What do you think it is? Honey lassi. Yeah, Smitha, that's the correct answer. Next one, mango, milk and honey. Yesterday was National Mango Day and the answer is mango shake. That's right. Next one, this is my favorite, paneer, chilies and honey. Yeah, Hima Balaji, correct answer. Honey chili paneer. So that was our. So hope you liked this quiz pick session. And with this, we are going to share some glimpses of our young and naughty Humby Chef participants while they were occupied in their cooking project for the competition. So here are you, our young heroes. Let's have a glimpse of you all. Isn't she cute? Look at her cap. And the way she is explaining, marvelous, very good job. There's so much to learn from these young chefs. Fantastic. Yeah, it's lovely, yummy, and it's yummy for us too. So let's move on. Let's share other participants' videos as well, their hard work. Look at the talents of our young chefs. Another recipe with paneer and honey. So that was our another contestant. Let us share the video of our next contestant. Look at the cap he is wearing. He is looking like a professional chef. So impressed. And with that humble chef with that bead drawn on his dress, on his t-shirt. Wow. Look at the presentation. Okay, now we'll quickly move on to the next video. Here it is. Oh gosh, she's so cute. The way she waves her hand. Hello, everybody. Honey se halwa. So cute. Okay, so here's our next contestant. Ainur's Kitchen. So the mango season is there, and most of the kids have used mango as an ingredient along with honey in their cooking. So well done. Next, we move on to another participant. Just have a glimpse of all the participants. Honey Joy. Look at the name he has given, Honey Joy. Okay, so let's move on to our next contestant, our super talented young chefs. That's super awesome, don't you think? I can't see your comments, your thumbs up, your hearts, and your smileys flying on the comment section. Okay, more participants. So we have so many young chefs coming from all different states of India. Kolkata, Delhi, Prayagraj, Odisha, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Howrah, Solan, Mumbai. Okay, some more participants are there. Let's have a look. Oh, so sweet. Look at this young chef. Wow. Isn't that amazing? Come on, guys. Give them a round of applause. We should. Okay. All right. So those were some glimpses of our cute Humby chefs. With this, I would request Prakashji and Pooja to join back again so that we can come to the, uh, announcement part. So let me allow them to join. So give me a sec so that they can join. I have sent the request to Pooja, and now I'm sending the request to Prakashji. Yes. So I think Pooja, are you here? Yeah. So hi Pooja, welcome back. Hello Prakashji, welcome back. So those who have joined late, let me update. You are live on Nature's Nectar Humby Chef Kids Cooking Awards, Gala Awards, and we are now before we announce the name of the winners, we would like to share something with you. Since the last 25 years, Nature's Nectar prides in providing only 100% pure, natural, and raw honey. While majority of Indian honey brands were proven to be providing adulterated honey, Nature's Nectar passed the NMR test and was found to be providing pure, no chemical, no antibiotics, no pesticides honey, which is free of C3 and C4 sugar. Our ethically sourced honey is directly traceable to beehives in Sundarbans, Madhya Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. And yes, we are the biggest exporters of honey in India. And since you have already tasted it, those who have tasted it, you already know the difference, right? Now, let me start sharing some secrets with you, which we have revealed, which we have kept hidden till now. So that is, when we introduced this campaign, Humby Chef contest, we announced that there will be how many winners? Can you quickly tell me in the comment section how many winners did we decide earlier? 6 winners. But due to your overwhelming responses, a whopping 36 entries, Nature's Nectar decided to increase the number of our young enthusiasts from 6 to 8 winners. That's right. For the first position, there will be 8 winners. So isn't that great? And yeah, and that's not over yet. Due to your overwhelming responses to encourage the talents of our young chefs, Nature's Nectar has added one more category for the winners, that is the second position. And there will be 5 participants, 5 winners for the second position. So be ready to receive them. And still that's not over, because the other participants will be getting consolation prizes. And can you guess how many? 20 members, 20, there will be 20 consolation
So
prize winners.
lovely.
Yeah.
Yes.
So because you have worked so hard and you deserve it. And now let me tell you about the selection criteria. So it is, of course, the innovativeness, the way you have presented your food, and also the number of likes and the reaches you have created, and of course, your hard work. Now, I request our chef influencer, Ms. Pooja Khanna, to please announce the winners for the first prize. First, yeah.
First of all, you all are winners, okay?
Absolutely,
That seems
absolutely.
like it's a difficult thing because you all have worked so hard. But I have the list with me here. The number one, the first prize winner is Noor Chavla from Faridabad. Well done, sweetheart. It was really wonderful. Yeah. So shall I continue, Rachna? Would you like to say
Yeah, yeah.
something?
You can tell us all the 8 names for the first
All
position.
the 8 names. Okay, the another first prize winner we have is Nirjor Biswa from Kolkata.
Okay,
Okay,
it's
I hope
Nijjar.
you
Yeah,
guys,
congratulations. Congratulations, Nijjar from
congratulations,
Kolkata.
Sweetie. Yeah, Arush Teal from Delhi. Okay.
Congratulations,
Many congratulations, bachos. Miraya Agarwal from Noida.
Congratulations, Miraya.
Arna Bakshi from Haridwar.
Wow.
Arna Bakshi, Haridwar, clapping. S.
Arna
Santha
Bakshi, well
from,
done.
yeah, S. Santha from Chennai. Reyansh, yes. You totally deserve so much love and appreciation. Riyansh Bansal from Panipat and Kyra Agalwar from Karkat. And these are the
Wow.
8 winners we have for the first prize. Congratulations to you all. You all have done amazing.
So congratulations for the first winners and all 8 winners of our first award. They are going to get amazing cash vouchers of rupees 2,000 each with gift hampers and certificates and discount coupons. And it is still not over because now Ms. Pooja is going to announce the winners for the second category. So can we have the 5 names, Pooja?
Wonderful. Yes. So we have Riturai Biswa from Kolkata. S. Muhammad Talaha from Chennai. S. Muhammad Talaha from Chennai. Ansh Sagar from Gurgaon. Aditya Gupta, Mumbai. Kritika Chaudhary, Kolkata.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to all the 5 winners who have come for the second position. You are going to grab Amazon cash vouchers of rupees 500 each, along with certificates, gift hampers, and discount coupons. Very well done, well deserved.
Very
And
well done.
now,
Very well done.
and
Yes,
it is
we have one more list.
still not over,
Yes,
because now coming up are the 20 participants who are going to get the consolation awards. So can we have the names, please, Pooja?
yes. We have Sudhanshu Jaiswal from Varanasi. Clapping.
Yeah.
Sinchil RP from Bangalore.
Okay.
Vida Vinu from Kollam. Dimple Agarwal. Harsh from Kolkata. Izan Afaq from Ernakulam. I'm sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Rudika Agarwal. Very good, guys. Nikarika from Delhi. Anandita Chaurasia. Samvrit Jalan from Kolkata. Cindy Agarwal, Orissa. Ramana from Kolkata. Hashid Ghani, Chennai. Vaishnavi from Kolkata. Chahat Jayesh Bhatia from Ahmedabad. Mahi Gupta, Mumbai. Kevin B, Chennai. Ishan Sahani, Solan, HP. Preeti Agarwal. Tanishta Agarwal. Wonderful, guys. You all have done
Wow.
so well. And we have
Wow.
participants all over India. This is so wonderful, you know.
Absolutely. And all these participants, these 20 participants will be getting gift hampers, certificates, and discount coupons too. So congratulations, all of you. Thank you so much for making Humby Chef Kids Cooking Contest by Nature's Nectar a super hit campaign. We are grateful to all the kids who have, they have worked so hard, and our gratitude to the young moms and in some cases dads too, who have helped their kids to participate in this competition. Also, we would like you to attend our class, a live cooking class for Raksha Bandhan on 6th August on Nature's Nectar Instagram page at 4 p.m. sharp. And do share the brother-sister pics with honey or honey-based dish and grab gift hampers. Follow Nature's Nectar Instagram and Facebook pages and stay tuned for upcoming contests and giveaways. Meet you soon, and until then, bye and have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Thank you, Pooja
Congratulations,
ji.
everyone.
Yes,
Thank you, Pooja
congratulations.
ji.
Well
Thank you.
deserved.
Thank you
Thank you,
so
all
much
the
for
kids.
having me. Really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And wonderful kids. Congratulations to everybody here.
Yeah,
A
thank
big
you.
round.
Thank you, first of all, to all the kids who took such active participation and the parents for encouraging them. And my wish is to, stay healthy, keep exploring, and make honey a part of your daily lives. All the best
Yes.
to everyone. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Jai Hind.
Absolutely. Bye-bye. Jai Hind. Take care.
Wonderful, guys. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.